In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you the difference between selecting and copying data. This is elementary, but it relieves a lot of frustration for some students that are new to Excel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a list here. I'm going to put a list of numbers which are like sales figures, okay? And I've got, let's say 3 sales figures that represent different orders that maybe we've sold in the last week or so. And I just want to show how to select this column so that you can then do something like later copy it somewhere. To select, what you do is you put your mouse right in the middle of the cell, left hold the mouse, and then drag down. All that does is highlight it so that you can then do something to it. In this case, maybe I want to copy it, or maybe I want to make it all dollar signs. So for example, with this selected, I can make it all dollar signs. See that? Now, the other thing I might want to do, though, is I might want to copy cells. For example, here's an example. Maybe I have a formula and I want to multiply each one of these. So I go equal sign and then I put my mouse on the $100 by a decimal figure like 6% that represents somebody's commission. Okay? So I go equal sign B5 times 0.06. Enter, and that calculates their commission. Now if I want to copy this formula down, I don't put my mouse in the middle of the cell. What I do is I put my mouse at the bottom right, and then over the little square there, that's called the fill handle right here, and I left hold my mouse and then I drag. So it looks like I'm selecting, but I'm not, because when I let go of the left mouse key, you see what it did? It copied that formula and then it created it used that a formula against all of the sales figures. So what I've done here is there we go, commission. So that's the difference between selecting and copying. To select, you put your mouse in the middle of the cell, left hold and drag. To copy, you put your mouse on the cell to select it, you click on it, and then you just grab the bottom right fill handle and drag, and that will copy it. And beware of that, because that is something that beginners sometimes have trouble with. Thanks.